Hello. This is Christmas.
Is this Christmas?
I am the habanero pepper ninja.
Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Dave, and they're the company.
I'm Nick. I am
Confused.
Arthur. Sir Arthur of the Round Table.
He's not right. He's just not right. I did not drop him on his head when he was young.
He is choosing to be this way.
I did it later.
Anyway,
today is day 12. It's my turn. Let's find out what I'm going to open and put together today.
There.
I can find it on my own. We'll be right back.
We'll be right back while you strangle me.
Day 12, day 12, day 12, day 12. Oh, wait, are we back? Oh, it's right here. I knew exactly where it was at. Yep, it's right here. And let's see what I get.
Snowman.
I'm building a snowman.
A snowman with hair?
Oh, of course the snowman has hair.
Hair?
You didn't think he was bald, did you? So let's see here. Alright, we start off with this base, and then we put this on there. Whoop, whoop. Well, the snowman just lost a lot of weight. No belly fat on him. There we go. Alright, and then say what? So what? This piece goes here, and this piece goes. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Fine. I'll put this piece here if that'll make you feel better.
What? Y'all were criticizing me for doing something.
I wasn't criticizing. I wasn't criticizing anybody.
Criticizing?
Criticizing.
Criticize. Christian? Christianize.
Let's see. Okay, that doesn't go on well until you do the arms, I guess.
You kind of need a neck.
Well, give me a minute. I'll find something here. Of course, I don't know what they used for the neck.
It's another one of the black pieces.
Yeah, I know, but what kind of neck on a snowman is black? That just makes no sense.
A Lego snowman.
Okay, now that piece doesn't want to go on there.
Maybe try the neck, then the scarf.
I did. We're all good. We're good.
You did the scarf, then the neck.
I don't think it matters.
Okay.
Then we've got the head. And then we've got the hair. Hair. It looks like Elvis. Elvis the snowman. And those appear to be black on the box, but I think
they're brown.
Fine.
You killed Frosty! You killed Elvis! Elvis Presley, oh no!
How many arms does he have?
2. None, apparently.
It's not working out real well for him.
You may want to twist the head to face the correct way.
Well, maybe he just wants to look back. He was famous at one point, you know. Okay, what's... I guess I've just got a lot of extra pieces. And I think it's cute. He gets handcuffs his arms.
They can't hear that, right?
I don't know. I built a snowman. I built a snowman.
The scarf backward.
There, does that make you feel better? His head's turned that way now. But his arms are backwards.
Well, better fix them.
Fine. Peeky. They were just out of joint. Disjointed snowman. Okay. I built a snowman.
Now drop him. You shouldn't have listened. How long has that been up there?
Okay. Well, that is it, folks. Day 12 is done. We have 12 more days to do on this advent calendar. Who knows what we'll end up building, because we have just built some interesting stuff. Ambulance, monster truck. You parked your ambulance on my snowman?
Yeah, I'm going to park the bus stop on it, too.
Snowman's riding the ambulance now.
Park the ambulance on the...
the great thing about Christmas is sometimes you get to act like a kid. And this is actually kind of fun.
Park the tree on the ambulance.
So, we will see you tomorrow right here on DIY Day for our next edition of the Lego City Advent Calendar, where Dave will open up day 13. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it so you don't miss getting notified when we do put up a new video. And we will see you later. Have a good one.
Bye. Ugh! It's too late.